cookies, what should we do? Let's make something yummy and new. Grab the bowl, come this way. We're making cookies today. Flour in, scoop, scoop, scoop. Sugar falls, loop-de-loop. Butter goes plop, plop, plop. Crack the egg, tap, tap, tap. Tiny splash of vanilla too. Now our cookie dough can brew. Mix it slowly, round we go. Watch the ingredients start to flow. Mix, 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 1, 2, 3. Cookie dough for you and me. Mix it, roll it, press it down. Cookies, cookies all around. Shape it, bake it, decorate. Yummy cookies on our plate. Mix it, roll it, nice and slow. That's the way our cookies grow. Here's our dough, soft and round. Put it gently on the ground. On the counter, nice and neat. Ready for our cookie treat. Roll it forward, roll it back. Roll, roll, roll along the track. Forward, backward, nice and slow. Flatter, flatter, does it go? Time for shapes, what will we make? Press the cutter for goodness sake. Star! Press it down, one bright star is what we found. Heart! Press once more, a little heart we all adore. Moon! Curved and bright, a little moon for cookie night. Flower! Petals round, another cookie we have found. Teddy bear! Press it to 5 little shapes for me and you. Lift one gently, careful now. Oops, it bends. Oh wow, oh wow. Pat it here, shape it there. Back to perfect with a little care. Onto the tray, one by one. Counting cookies can be fun. 1, a shining star. 2, a heart so sweet. 3, a moon. 4, a flower. 5, a teddy treat. 5 little cookies in a row. Ready, ready, off they go. Our cookies are ready to bake. A grown-up helps for safety's sake. Into the oven, safe and slow. Close the door and watch them go. Now we wait and wait and wait. Tick-tock, tick-tock, is it time? Not quite. Tick-tock, tick-tock, check again? Not yet. Ding! Look at that, what do we see? Golden cookies. 1, 2, 3. 4 and 5 are golden too. Warm and yummy, fresh and new. Little edges, golden brown. Best looking cookies in the town. Mix it, roll it, press it down. Cookies, cookies all around. Shape it, bake it, decorate. Yummy cookies on our plate. Mix it, roll it, nice and slow. Look how pretty our cookies glow. drizzle right. Sprinkle colors, big and bright. Shake the sprinkles, nothing there. Shake them gently in the air. Shake once more. Oh my! Little sprinkles start to fly. One tiny sprinkle on my nose. How it got there, no one knows. Mix it, roll it, press it down. Cookies, cookies all around. Shape it, bake it, decorate. 5 sweet cookies on our plate. Star and heart, moon we see, flower and teddy. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, our treats are done. Making cookies was so much